This is TPS Elektronik, your full-service electronic manufacturing services partner in power electronics. From R&D to production to global distribution, we cover the entire process. With more than 25 years of experience, an international R&D team, and state-of-the-art production facilities, TPS Elektronik delivers innovation, precision, and reliability. Our procurement networks give you targeted support, while our Chinese-German engineering team develops cutting-edge hardware and software solutions for diverse applications. Working hand-in-hand with trusted partners, we create tailor-made solutions that drive success. From microbobbins to large chokes, our coil winding services cover every step. Engineering design, material selection, winding, impregnation, overmolding, and final assembly, all under one roof. We also design and test custom cable and wire harness assemblies, including cutting, crimping, soldering, shielding, and connector integration for industries such as electronics, automotive, and defense. Our sheet metal processing turns raw materials into robust chassis, enclosures, brackets, heat sinks, and assemblies, with laser cutting, punching, bending, welding, and surface treatment. In our CNC milling department, complex designs become production-ready parts, from precision fixtures to aluminum enclosures and heat sinks. We also develop intelligent mechatronic systems, integrating mechanics, electronics, sensors, software, and motion control into smart solutions. Our multi-layer PCB assembly services include prototyping, quoting, supplier coordination, and large-scale production. Using SMT and THT technologies, we ensure reliability and full traceability, from single prototypes to mass manufacturing. And after production, we handle it all: fulfillment, packaging, customs clearance, and worldwide shipping. Since our founding, we have worked with a global perspective. Wherever you are, TPS Elektronik is ready with fast response, reliable support, and long-term partnership. TPS Elektronik. Innovation, precision, partnership.